Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Leigh and I love indie makeup, especially shiny, shifty, and sparkly eyeshadows. And today I'm going to be doing a mystery box unboxing from Melt Cosmetics. I don't think I've ever seen them do a mystery box, so the moment I saw these, I was super excited. So I got the $25 one and the $75 one. So the $25 mystery bundles retail value is $130, and then the $75 one is retail value at $233, and there's a note on the website that says, please note multiple purchases of the mystery bundle will result in receiving the same item. So I wasn't sure if that meant like if you bought a 25 and a 75, or if that just meant if you bought like 275. So there might be some double items, and I'm totally fine with that. I just thought it would be super fun to unbox. I think mystery boxes are for the most part really worth it for people who haven't tried much from the brand that is doing the mystery box. So for example, I know ColourPop does them, so if you have a lot of ColourPop stuff, then you're probably not going to really enjoy what you get from a ColourPop mystery box. I do have quite a few things from Melt Cosmetics. However, I don't have any of the blushes. I have one highlighter. I don't have any of the other face things. I have like pretty much most of their palettes, but there are a few I don't have. And I pretty much have all of their eyeliners. I love their eyeliners. So before I get into the unboxing, I thought it'd be fun to just kind of guess what I think is going to be in here based on, they're also having a Black Friday sale currently. So just based off of what's on sale on their website, I think it's going to be mostly the most discounted products that are on their website. So I think there's going to be eyeliners, lip liners. I think there might be a stack or maybe a palette, but that would be really shocking if there was a palette. I'm really guessing a stack. I would love it if there's some brushes and some of the new lipsticks. So let me know in the comments below right now what you're predicting is going to be in the mystery boxes, and then you can edit your comment later. I thought it would be fun to guess. So this is how the box came. It just came all in one box, and I haven't looked into the box. I have just like lightly pushed away the tissue because I was curious to see if it's going to be like the $25 separately from the $75 box, but it looks like they just threw a bunch of stuff in here. So on the screen, I'm going to be keeping a tally of all the prices of all the products that I'm pulling out. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing is just a letter from the owner, and it looks like it actually comes with the new Amore Mariposas collection. So I'm really curious to see if there's going to be anything from that, because I will be so shocked if there is. I got this little sample of the SEX foil. This is gold ore. Unfortunately, this is going to be definitely too dark for me. I really wish it was in the shade Fetish, but I did want to try this out. So just opening this up, you can see there's a palette in here. This looks like it's the brunette palette. Yes, I don't have this one because it is a very neutral palette, but let's just open it up. Let's see. So this is a very neutral eyeshadow palette. There's a reason I didn't buy this. So the next thing in here is actually just a bunch of stuff. Oh, there is a full-size foil thing. Really curious. Looks like there's some blushes in here. So first thing I pulled out is the Supernatural Lash. This is their mascara. This came out last year with the Beetlejuice collection, and then they made it a permanent item. I'm not like the biggest fan of it, so I'm not going to be keeping that one. And next up is a laced ultra matte lipstick. I'm so excited. I was really hoping for a lipstick. I did buy one when I was ordering the Amore Mariposas. Ooh, this is such a cool shade. I'm really excited. Like literally cool shade. It's cool tone, you know. Oh, that smells really good. I just got a whiff of that. That smells so good. So good. All right, what's in here next? There is a lip pencil. This is the shade Cashmere. I think hopefully this will go along with the lipstick. Oh, it looks like it will be like a perfect match. It's got like a similar nude color. It's really beautiful. I'll swatch these later, but right now I'm just gonna get through all of this. And there is a liquid set lipstick. I saw that the liquid lipsticks were very, very discounted on their website, so I wonder if they're gonna be like coming out with a new formula or something maybe in the future. This is in the shade B Movie. I do have one from them. This is a very, very bright pinky shade. And then what else is in here? Looks like there's some liners. I'm so excited that there's eyeliners. I love their eyeliners. Like I said in the beginning, I have pretty much almost all of them. So it is always good to have some backups. So this is the shade Dusk. I actually don't think I have the shade. This is so beautiful. I am going to swatch this. Oh, that is just like a beautiful orange. It's like metallic. It's so beautiful. So I'm really excited about that one. So far, I am very impressed. I think the value so far is here. This is the shade Baked. I actually already have this shade, so this is going to be a backup for me. I love that shade. And next one we have Rosalind's. I don't even know what that means. And this looks like it's a, ooh, that is so pretty. It's like a rose gold. That is so metallic and really, really beautiful. Oh, it's the Cream Blush Light. I'm so excited because I did not buy any of these. I held off. I'm very proud of myself, so I'm very excited to get one of these in here and try it. Oh, that is such a beautiful shade. It is in the shade Polished. So I'm just going to swatch this on the back of my hand. And this is that shade. It's going to be a really beautiful shade. Love it. Okay, let me just swatch the lipstick. I should have just swatched it on the back of my hand. This is what the lipstick is. A really interesting taupey shade. And then the lip liner is... Oh, this is like a pencil lip liner. The lip liner doesn't quite match. It's a little bit more like warmer and orangey almost. The next one is a Nova Digital Dust Highlighter. This is what the packaging looks like. Really beautiful. I only have one highlighter, and it's Stargazer. Oh, this is so beautiful, but this is definitely too dark for my complexion. I love their imprints that they have on these highlighters, as well as the lipsticks. Really beautiful. And then this is the SEX foil, and this is in the shade Afterglow. I think I might try this one. It might be like a more of a blush topper. Oh my god. This is what the pump looks like. It's very wide. For some reason, that just stands out to me. So I'm just going to pump out a little bit. I think this would be a nice, like, blushy topper. Yeah, I think I'll be able to. It's got like a darker tone to it. So I think I'll have to go in with a very light hand, but it is very beautiful. So next up, we have another bubble wrap little baggie full of stuff. I'm going to assume that this is the $25 value. I think that's actually how they must have separated it. So this looks like it has less things. It has two, I think it's a mascara, liquid lipstick, and another foil. And it looks like we've got a palette. So we've got another mascara, which, you know, they warned of that, of getting doubles. And then this is the liquid lipstick in Rebound. Let's see what color that is. Ooh, I think I have this one actually. This is totally like my kind of lip color. Let me just swatch it down here. Oh, that is so beautiful. Okay, I'm definitely excited about this one. So next up is another SEX foil, and this one is in the shade Fetish, which I'm so excited because this is the shade I would have gotten if I would have purchased this one. So I think this one is going to work for me. You can see it's very light. Oh no, I just pumped out way too much. Ugh. But I could actually probably mix this in with the other shade to lighten them up and mix them. But that is really beautiful. I'm excited to try this. And then the last thing in here is the She's in Parties palette. So this is amazing value, I think. This palette, I think, is either $48 or $58. I'm not sure. And I do have a video up with this one. I've actually decluttered it since. So I might be keeping this one. Maybe it's a sign that I should give it another chance. This is definitely the good melt formula. The shimmers were really nice as well. I just felt like there wasn't enough depth in the metallic shades. It was a lot of darker metallic shades. So overall, I am really, really impressed. There was only one double. So I did get double of this, but I'm glad that there are two different shades. However, there's a potential that you could have gotten two of the same shade. So the only things in here really that I'm not going to get any use out of are going to be the mascaras and the highlighter because it is too dark for me, and then the palette. So I think overall this was so worth it. I think this was one of the like better mystery boxes. I haven't bought too many mystery boxes, but from just like unboxings of other mystery boxes, I feel like this was a really good one. So I'm really glad that they did this. I would have loved even more of these lipsticks, and I'm so excited about the eyeliners. So I feel like I really got my money's worth. I will put the total up for each of the bags because there were two separately packed bags in here. I think it was really worth it overall because I also really love Melt Cosmetics, and there's some things that I was holding off from buying, so I'm excited that I got it in this. So let me know in the comments below if you picked any of these mystery boxes up from Melt Cosmetics. Do you like what you got? I would love to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. And that's everything for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. There's so much indie makeup content uploading my channel and much more to come. You don't want to miss out. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.